What's up, two-time gang? It's your boy, Two-Time Moto TV, man. Long time no see, guys. The wait is over. I'm sorry I've been gone for a couple weeks. I've been mad busy trying to get things together with the vehicle, trying to bring you guys the content that you're looking for. So, guys, I know y'all know what this stuff right here is. No, it's nothing cosmetic. No, it's not no vinyl wrap. No, it's not no rims. Guys, this is gonna put the power in the Crown Vic that you guys been waiting for, man. 390 horsepower loaded in all these boxes here. I think like 375 torque. That's what the whole kit say. But I just bought it out here, you know what I'm saying, to sit it by the car, because eventually I'm gonna have to load it in the car today so I can go get everything put on. The car will be gone for about a week, but I will be unboxing everything indoors so that you guys can see everything that I got with the kit. And if you guys are interested in getting the same thing, this kit will fit a 98 to 2004 Crown Victoria. So there are other options for 2005 to 2011. So you guys stay tuned for that. Also, visit Summit Racing and Trick Flow. They got all your Ford needs. They got anything you want. And that's why I found my stuff at without having to go turbocharger, pro charger, supercharger, none of that stuff, man. Everything is direct bolt on. This is a modular engine, so it'll still be NA. So y'all stay tuned for that unboxing.
Back in the house we are. Bought everything back in. Guys, before we do this unboxing, this has been a long awaited item as well. Boom. Two-Time Moto TV. Got the decals to go on the front and the back windshield, so I'll be removing that 5.0 interceptor sticker in the front windshield. I know you guys been waiting for that for a long time. Also, I will be removing the 26-inch symbol on the side of the car and possibly be replacing it with 28 or maybe 30s. But for right now, this is what we're talking about, guys. The car will no longer be only cosmetics. The car will have the power for the looks. This is what you guys been waiting for. I asked you guys to send me a tally in the comment up on my live stream, and you guys came through. And you guys said that y'all would like to see the power next. I've been putting a lot of cosmetic stuff on the car, man. So it has been about that time that the car is not only cosmetics, but because I do have a hood scoop, the car looks fast. You know, the wheels sit aggressive, and I want them to be able to pull them strong, so I won't have no issue. So guys, I don't even know where to start, man. First off, this is a Trick Flow top end setup. So it has everything from cams to the heads, to the lifters, to the timing chain. And then I also have one more surprise, but we're gonna start with this box here. So I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up, man, so we can go ahead and crack that thing open. I will only be opening up one of each. So you guys know that, you know what one of them is, then you know what the other one's gonna be. So yeah, I'm gonna open up one apiece and let you guys take a look inside. So first box we're gonna open is this big one right here. I got a dull blade, man. I never had the right stuff. I'm trying to do something. So, you guys bear with me. Hey, this thing is definitely packaged nice. I can't say that. Summit Racing and Trick Flow, man, you guys are the best. I appreciate y'all. This stuff only took about a week to come in. Probably a little less than that, about 4 days. So I'm gonna grab the camera so you guys can see inside the box. I don't want to take too much stuff out because I'm about to have to take it right up there. I'm gonna see if I can just break one of these things off or something. Anyway, guys, this is the top end right here. This is a whole head setup. And matter of fact, let me get it out the box, man. You guys deserve that. Let me just take it out the box. This thing is heavy, man. Oh, shoot. Yo, these heads are still PI heads, but
as you guys can see, they do have different ports on it, different size ports and chambers, spring lifts and everything. So she is definitely a lot bigger. Has a lot bigger openings, and I will have to run 93 pump gas on this. That's the tune that they're gonna put on it. So I'll be coming from the 87 to the 93 pump, which is a hotter fuel, but that fuel is less watered down than the 87, so I will get a bigger explosion. Yeah, man, this thing here is nice. Look at that. Brand spanking new. I can even smell the machine on it. Yep, so that's box number 1. As you guys know, that this is either the right or the left. I don't know what side of this going on, but that's the reason why I'm getting somebody to install these things, because I really don't have time. So as soon as I get done opening up these boxes, I will have to put these boxes back together, stick them in the car, go take my car and go get it done. So let's see here. Let's open up this box right here, y'all. So this right here is a head changing kit. So I'm not gonna open up a box like this, but like I said, guys, this whole kit came together besides 2 pieces that I got. So this is a head changing kit. So it goes along with this. I don't wanna open up too much, but guys, right here, it's my pride and joy in this box. You guys should already know what this is. Cams, baby. These are the stage 1 cams. The stage 2 cams was just $1 more, but the guy was telling me that it'll give me higher top end with the stage 2, but lower low end. So I want high low end, high low to mid, and I really don't care about the top speed, because I'm not gonna be running that car at top speed, man, with the gears that I got and stuff. So I'm very impressed with these stage 1 comp cams. So yeah, she is gonna have that loaf to her, so y'all stay tuned for that. Just as soon as she come out the shop, I'll give a before and after sound of everything. I'll even let the guy break down everything that he done to the car and had to do. So if you guys do purchase this kind of kit for your Crown Vic or Mustang, then you guys will know what to do as well. If he ran into any problems, or if it was a straightforward kit to put together, you guys know I'm gonna give y'all the whole rundown with that. So yes, that's my best box right here. I mean, you know, besides the heads and stuff, but it's one of the best. I have some lash adjusters. Got 16 of them. 2 timing chains. So all of this is top end, man. Everything top end has come in this kit. There's another timing chain. That's 2 of them. And this kit did come with instructions as well. Packaging list enclosed. And I also got a few more papers along with these cams as well. These cams came with paperwork to tell you how to set your timing and everything. And this is a list of what it does here. So if you guys want to pause the screen for that, I'll give you time to check that out. So everything does come with instructions. So right here is my intake manifold gasket. I'm not gonna take that out either. You guys know what that kind of stuff is. And I do not know what's in here. But we about to find out, so I'm gonna open the box. I don't know where my box cutter went. Here we go. Go ahead and crack this joker open. Thank you for your order. I appreciate y'all. Man, I don't know if these are plugs or what. I don't know, y'all. I'll let y'all know in the next video what these are. I do have the paperwork on this stuff. But like I said, I'm already in the middle of the video, and then I gotta rush the car up there.
So this is probably the only thing that I don't know what that is. Probably plugs. Yeah, I think that's what they are. Yeah, plugs. We have the spring compression kit. It's just one little spring compressor in here for the heads. So if they got to change anything with the springs, and that right there does the trick. Or I believe that puts the springs in place of how high that they're supposed to be, and to be able to adjust them. And guys, this and this are two things that I ordered differently right here for the Crown Vic that did not come with the Trick Flow kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in this box for you guys. I know some of you already know what this probably is. Oh, I gotta set the camera up, man. I'm sorry I got y'all everywhere, man. I'm trying to rush. Let me set it up so I can. Ooh-wee. Let's see if I can find the number for y'all. Bam. Y'all see what that say? 410, 410. These are 410 gears going in the rear. These bad boys are healthy. Like I said, I want a lot of low end power. So I'm not worried about that high end power stuff, guys. Like, a lot of guys that even race won't ever see top speed. So it's all about low end and mid range is what I'm going for. This kit right here are my ring and pinion gears for the rear end. So I think that they are 327s in my Vic now. It's either that or 273s or something like that. But yeah, I'm switching those out, putting the big boy 410s in there. So this allowed me to switch gears a lot faster. Instead of in first gear, I'm going like 50. So this right here, I have it so in first gear, I'll be going like maybe 30 or 20 something. Second, you know, it's gonna be a lot lower as well. But this also gives me greater torque to the wheels. So they will be turning the wheels a lot faster, because they are big boy gears. And this right here is the whole ring and pinion kit that comes with these 410 gears. So guys, with everything laid out here, man, I hope you guys know I didn't fail y'all this time, because I know you guys been waiting for me to put some power in this thing, and I've been telling y'all I want to go supercharger, procharger, or maybe do the coyote swap. Listen, man, a lot of guys are doing it coyote swap, 5.4 or the 5.0. You know, I want to be different with my stuff. Y'all know how I get down. And I'm going to be putting out a lot of horsepower with a 4.62 valve. So I'm already rebuilding the top end with this whole kit. So even if I do want to go a supercharger or turbocharger setup, I'll just build the low end of it, and then I can still slap that on top of this kit here. So this kit right here does give me 390 horsepower, 375 foot-pound torque. So with my cold air intake, my pipes, and a tune, I should be pushing wheel about maybe 420, 425. Now that's horsepower to the crank. So to the wheels, I'll probably be pushing like 360, 370, hopefully around that range with everything. But yeah, you guys check out trickflow.com. I got the link on the screen right here if you guys want to check that out, trickflow.com. And you guys can call them up, man, and see if they got anything for your vehicle, which they will. Because if you have between a 98 and a 2004, then you could get this whole kit here. And if you have a 2005 and up, then I guess that they'll recommend you get like a whole nother kit, but it'll still be about the same price. You'll still get the same stuff. But you know, a few things was changed with the 2005s and up. So guys, I'm very much pleased. Oh, and also I gotta tachometer here that I just bought from AutoZone. So I'm gonna put this underneath my 4-inch hood scoop. It should be waterproof and everything. If not, I'll just replace it later on down the road if, you know, any water or whatnot get in it. Trying to figure out if there's anything else that I'm leaving out for you guys, man. Trick Flow did make this whole kit, but I got it from Summit Racing because you can't buy it directly from Trick Flow. Trick Flow will send it to Summit Racing, and then from Summit Racing to you. And this kit was retailed at $36. So I can't tell y'all what I went through to get it and how I got it, but just know I got it for a great deal. And I think that you can go on their website and get it for about $36. So for about how much you feel like that you're gonna pay for the Supercharger, ProCharger, Turbo kit that they gotta basically that they will have to fabricate to install on your vehicle. You can get this whole kit here. You can get this whole kit that's a direct bolt on, and you still got a naturally aspirated engine. So it'll definitely be a sleeper, because as soon as you pop the hood, they be like, oh, you know, it's a 4.6, but why it sound like that? Because it's camming and everything. So I mean, you know, you can just tell me that you got a little cam, but yo, these heads are gonna put in work. These 410 gears are gonna put in work. All this stuff together is gonna put in work, including the timing chain. So yeah, man, I'm about to go right now to the performance shop and get them to install this kit. Like I said, I've been super busy. I'm gonna start bringing you guys more content, more even drivability content. I'm gonna bring y'all along with me in the Vic more of the times and whatnot. So yeah, man, you guys rock with me, man, and I should have the car back in about a week. So you guys make sure y'all stay tuned for the next upload, because I'm gonna be putting some power to the ground. I'll let y'all know if this whole kit made a difference. So you know, I kind of go through trial and error with myself and with you guys to let y'all know if something was worth it or not, or if they lied to me. So yeah, 2Time Moto TV out, man. And until next time, man, you guys hold it down out there. Stay safe, man. Stay safe. And until next time, man, peace.